Welcome back. Today's session is 3-40, Snake Creeps Down. We've already covered Snake Creeps Down, at least 90% of it, in 2-23. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the very beginning. It's the ending that's going to be different. It goes in the exact same direction. So where we do that is right after single whip. This is the exact same one as 2-23, where we open up the toe, we grab up, we're holding the ball, we keep the right knee bent, you bring the hand up, turn it out, bring the hand down. This left hand brings up that left thigh, and you brush the back of your left hand on the inside of the left thigh as you bring that down. Now, you'll notice I'm not on the intersection. My left heel is not on the intersection of the green and yellow. It's past it, okay? You will notice that my right toe is on the yellow line, pointed towards 12 o'clock. You don't want to stand up when you do this. So a lot of people tend to come from here, they'll grab up and they stand up. We don't want to stand up. Grabbing up, holding the ball, forming the crook. Now watch how I stay over this yellow line. I don't shift over to the green line. I stay over this yellow line here. There's the head of the snake. Here are the fangs, head of the snake, tail of the snake. And this is even with my shoulder. Now, on the first, on 2-23, we have the right palm up as we transfer our weight into the left leg and go towards 9 o'clock. We don't do that in 3-40. We use our thumb instead. So here we go. Here comes the thumb, not the palm. The thumb leads. I'm going to turn that left toe out. I'm going to shift my weight. So all the weight's been in the right leg all this time. Shift my weight. Picking up that right foot and setting the right heel. I'm going to back up a little bit. I think I'm out of frame. So that you can see that my right heel is on the same line as my left heel. Okay? Going to 7 stars. We'll go over that in 3-41. All right, so one more time. I'm going to do it towards the camera there. Okay, so we just finished single whip. We turn single whip towards the camera. We turn that right toe out, gather up the ball, keep that right knee bent, form the crook, left hand comes up, looking at the palm, turns away, and then it rotates back again, and then your left palm is facing out. Stay in the right leg, brushing the inside of the thigh. Snake creeps down. You bend your knees a little bit further as the hands go up. Okay. And then you come up to 7 stars. We'll go over that in the next one. Now we're going to go this direction. We just finished single whip. You'll watch all the weight's in the left leg. You'll watch my right toe turn out towards 6 o'clock. Then I'll recenter my weight, gather up the ball, feet coming together, forming the crook. Both knees are bent. And this comes down. Notice I'm not stepping here. I'm stepping wider than my shoulder width. Now that left toe is facing the 3 o'clock. The right toe is facing the 6 o'clock. And you'll see here that I'm weighted in the right leg. This is off my shoulder, fingertips down, snake's tail. Good. And then we'll switch later to 7 stars. Now going this direction, we have the single whip, weights in the left. That right toe turns out. Gather up the ball. Notice I'm on 2 separate railroad tracks right now. After I gather up the ball, knees are still bent. Now my heels are over this green line. Staying the weight in the right leg, but not shoulder width wide. And then 7 stars. Okay, so we've gone all the way around. Now we have to go over the breath. All right, so you just finished single whip, and that's your breath out. All right, so breath in, you gather up that ball, pulling the energy in, breath in, and as you expand out, that's the breath out. And you are looking towards the tail of the snake. Again, notice my weight over the yellow line. I'm not here. I'm back here. So your head always looks at the tail of the snake. All right. So the difference between 2-23, snake creeps down, and this snake creeps down is the thumb. One more time. Snake creeps down in 2-23, the palm comes forward and you turn with your shoulder. This one, this snake creeps down, the thumb comes forward before we go to 7 stars. All right, so that snake creeps down. Until next time, have a wonderfully Zen day.